Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly restore accidentally closed tabs in Microsoft Edge. And now, let's get started. Sometimes, we might accidentally close Microsoft Edge while having many tabs open. If you do not receive a prompt to restore these tabs when you reopen the browser, there is a straightforward solution. Microsoft is actively working on enabling a prompt for this scenario, but in the meantime, you can use this effective workaround. After you have accidentally closed Microsoft Edge, there are two easy ways to restore your tabs. Firstly, you can press the keyboard shortcut *kems Control plus Shift plus T namas downs. Alternatively, you can click on the three dotted lines located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu that appears, select History. Within the History section, look for the option labeled Recently Closed, or a similar phrase. This action will relaunch all the tabs that were previously open and then closed. This method ensures that you can easily recover the tabs you may have lost. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.